Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to create an Instagram account. To open an Instagram account, download the app from your iOS or Android, or visit instagram.com and click sign up, right? In my case, I'm going to download, right? And I already signed in, but I'm going to show you what's the window like if you're going to add a new account. So let me go ahead here and hold at the bottom, right? I'm going to add an Instagram account, right? So I'm going to log into an existing account or use another profile, right? And this is the window, right? So you need to add your username, email, or mobile number, and of course, your password, okay? If you're new, all you gotta do is just hit create a new account, right? You're gonna create a username, okay? And you gonna basically, to create a new account, Instagram account in this account center, allow the following, meaning that you're gonna be able to add them to Meta with your previous account. Just go ahead, allow and continue. And agree to the Instagram's terms and policies, right? By tapping I agree, you agree to create an account into Instagram's terms, privacy policy, and cookies policy, right? All you gotta do, just continue, right? Set your birthday, confirm your contact via email, SMS, and now you completed your profile. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.